Hello friends, welcome to Gardening with Nitin. If you are into container gardening and you have to fill a couple of containers, then you can feel the pain of how much it costs to buy a potting mix. Each bag you buy from a nursery or market adds up quickly and can come with a hefty price. You can make your own potting mix with a fraction of cost of the market price. In this video, I will show you a DIY of potting mix. Let's dig into it. The potting mix used in containers should be light and fluffy. A good potting medium won't dry out too quickly but will resist compacting so that the plant's root can take up water and moisture from the surroundings. The roots must also have access to oxygen, which means that the medium can't be too dense. The mix that I am going to show you will work for vegetables and flowers for the pot. So the question is, how do you check if the mix that you made is a good mix? It does not shrink significantly or pull away from the sides of the container. That's how you will know that you made a good potting mix. The one that I will show you in this video is a soilless mix. You will need 3 items for this. All items that I will discuss, their links are in the description. I will be using coir fiber, perlite, compost and slow release balanced fertilizer. Instead of coir fiber, you can also use peat moss, but peat moss is not environment friendly. You can Google it and find out more about peat moss positives and its negatives. Peat moss is also acidic on the pH scale, so you have to mix lime to increase the pH to neutralize it. On the other hand, coir fiber is a byproduct of a coconut industry. Coir looks and acts like a peat moss. It has more nutrients than peat moss and lasts even longer. Coir fiber pH is close to neutral. Perlite is mined volcanic rock. When it's heated, it expands, making perlite practical looks like small white balls of stay foam. Perlite is a lightweight. It holds 3 to 4 times of weight in water, increase pore space and improves drainage, and it has a neutral pH. Compost is organic matter that has decomposed in a process called composting. Composting plays a massive role in promoting healthy plant growth. You can get a bag of compost from any nursery and it's not very expensive. However, I prefer to make my compost at home. If you need to learn about composting, then click on the link that is coming on your screen. So coir fiber usually shipped in a compressed brick form, so you need to add water to expand it. For the ratio, I take 1 part of coir fiber, 1 part of compost and half part of perlite and a handful of organic fertilizer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 part of coir fiber. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 part of compost. Just 1 handful of organic fertilizer. Mix it well. The potting mix is ready. Only make what you can use as soon as possible. But if storage is necessary, place the potting mix in a sealed plastic bags in a cool and dry place. Once you start making your own potting mix, then you can alter the recipe for your needs, like your potted trees and shrubs, succulents and cactus, seed starting mix, etc. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching this. God bless you all.